Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cricut Design Space how to crop image. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In Cricut Design Space there is no direct crop tool, but you can achieve the same effect using the slice tool. So method 1 is to use crop tool or slice tool. So simply head over and open up your Cricut Design app. Then once you are there, tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Then once you are there, what you need to do is click on shapes. Now here choose a square shape, and then once you are here, what you need to do is click on upload right here and then upload a photo. Now once you have selected your image, select both the layers, click and drag to select both the image and shape, and then once that's done, click on the slice button which will be at the bottom right, and then tap on it to cut the images into pieces. Then drag the pieces apart and delete the extra parts you don't need. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.